Welcome to the Dreamed Home Factory, where dreams are crafted into reality. Nestled in the heart of innovation, our factory stands as a testament to precision, quality, and the pursuit of perfection. At the core of our craftsmanship lies the cutting-edge technology from Germany, the HOMAG machinery. Renowned for its precision, these state-of-the-art machines are the heartbeat of our production, ensuring that every cut is a masterpiece and every piece is a work of art. The Dreamed Home Factory has embraced the legacy of German engineering. Enter the realm of flawless finishing with our German Rubber King, the PUR edge banding machine. This technological marvel is the guardian of quality, ensuring that every edge and corner of our plates are not just covered but perfected. The precision of the Rubber King leaves no room for compromise, delivering a level of craftsmanship that speaks volumes. The HOMAG laser edge banding machine from Germany epitomizes cutting-edge technology in plateboard manufacturing, seamlessly merging precision and efficiency. But we don't just stop at precision. We offer a kaleidoscope of design possibilities. Our plates come in a variety of captivating designs, each one carefully curated to cater to the diverse tastes and aspirations of our clients. Your dream home deserves a touch of uniqueness, and we're here to make it happen. Step into a world where precision meets passion, and every piece tells a story. Your dream home begins here.